Spiritual Manthan.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: how to harness the power of your subconscious mind to overcome negative emotions. If you're tired of feeling held back by past experiences and want to reclaim your peace, joy, and freedom, then stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a powerful technique that can truly transform your life. So, grab a comfy seat, maybe a cup of tea, and let's get started. In our busy lives, we often overlook the incredible power our minds hold. The subconscious mind, in particular, is a powerhouse of potential that can either work for us or against us, depending on how we use it. Think of it as a massive storage room filled with all your life's experiences, both good and bad. While we may not always be aware of what's stored in there, these experiences influence our thoughts, behaviors, and emotions more than we realize. Before we dive into the technique, let's understand why it's crucial to address the negative emotions stored in our subconscious. These emotions act like invisible chains, holding us back from reaching our full potential. Imagine trying to run a race with heavy weights tied to your ankles. That's what it's like to live with unresolved negative emotions. But the good news is, you have the key to unlock these chains and set yourself free. Today, I'm going to share a step-by-step technique that will help you tap into your subconscious mind and release those negative emotions. This technique is simple yet powerful, and with consistent practice, it can lead to profound changes in your life. Whether you're dealing with anxiety, stress, fear, or any other negative emotion, this method can help you find peace and balance. So, let's embark on this journey together. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to communicate with your subconscious mind, identify the negative emotions holding you back, and transform them into positive energy. It's time to take control of your mental and emotional well-being and create the life you've always dreamed of. Are you ready? Let's get started. Understanding the subconscious mind. All right, let's kick things off by understanding what the subconscious mind is and why it's so powerful. Imagine your mind is like an iceberg. The tip that you see above the water is your conscious mind, the part you use to make decisions, think critically, and navigate daily life. But beneath the surface lies the massive, hidden part of the iceberg, your subconscious mind. This part stores all your life experiences, emotions, and memories, even the ones you don't actively think about. Your subconscious mind is like the hard drive of a computer. It holds all the information you've accumulated throughout your life, from your earliest memories to the experiences you had just yesterday. Unlike the conscious mind, which is limited and can only focus on a few things at a time, the subconscious is vast and limitless. It processes information at incredible speeds, helping you navigate the world based on past experiences. But here's the catch: your subconscious mind doesn't filter or judge the information it stores. It simply records everything as it happens. This means that both positive and negative experiences are stored without discrimination. Over time, the memories with the strongest emotional impact tend to have the most influence over your thoughts and behaviors. For instance, if you had a particularly embarrassing moment in school, your subconscious might replay that memory whenever you're in a similar situation, causing you to feel nervous or self-conscious. On the flip side, positive experiences like receiving praise for a job well done can boost your confidence and motivate you to succeed. The subconscious mind also plays a crucial role in forming habits. Have you ever noticed how you can drive to work on autopilot without consciously thinking about each turn? That's your subconscious mind at work, guiding your actions based on established patterns. While this can be incredibly useful, it also means that negative habits and thought patterns can become deeply ingrained, making them difficult to change. The influence of emotions on our lives. Think about it. Have you ever felt an intense reaction to something that seemed trivial? Maybe a smell, a song, or a place suddenly brought up a rush of emotions. That's your subconscious at work. It recalls memories, sometimes even traumatic events, that continue to affect you years later. This can create obstacles in our path to living a fulfilling life. Emotions are powerful forces that shape our perceptions, decisions, and interactions. They are not just fleeting feelings, but significant markers that guide how we experience life. When an event triggers an emotional response, the subconscious mind records it, along with the associated feelings. These emotional memories then influence our reactions in similar situations in the future. For example, let's say you had a negative experience speaking in public as a child. Perhaps you forgot your lines in a school play, and the embarrassment stayed with you. Even as an adult, the thought of public speaking might trigger anxiety, causing you to avoid such situations altogether. This is how a single event, stored in the subconscious, can have a long-lasting impact on your behavior. Our subconscious mind's primary function is to protect us, often by recalling past experiences to prevent us from repeating mistakes or encountering dangers. While this can be beneficial, it can also backfire when the memories it recalls are no longer relevant. This is particularly true for traumatic events, which can be replayed in the mind, causing emotional distress long after the event has passed. Interestingly, even minor events from our childhood can cause significant issues later in life. As children, our perception of events is very different from that of adults. What might seem trivial to an adult can be monumental to a child. These childhood perceptions are stored in the subconscious and can resurface, influencing our adult behavior in unexpected ways. For instance, a child who felt neglected might grow up with a belief that they are not worthy of attention. This belief, deeply embedded in the subconscious, can affect their relationships and self-esteem. Similarly, a child who experienced fear during a thunderstorm might develop a lifelong phobia of storms. The power of emotional charges. Let's break this down with an example. Imagine a child who feels neglected or unimportant. They may grow up with a deep-seated belief that they're not worthy of love or attention. This belief, stored in the subconscious, can affect their adult relationships and self-esteem. Similarly, a child who experienced a frightening event may develop irrational fears or anxieties that persist into adulthood. Every person carries memories of negative experiences and their personal reactions to them. These memories are significant obstacles in the journey of personal growth and achieving the life one desires. When we revisit these memories, they often trigger us to relive the associated pain or negative emotions, making them feel as though they're happening in the present moment. These emotionally charged memories are like invisible anchors holding us back. They create patterns of behavior that can be difficult to break. For instance, someone who felt neglected as a child might constantly seek validation from others, leading to a cycle of dependency and low self-esteem. On the other hand, someone who experienced a traumatic event might avoid situations that remind them of the trauma, limiting their opportunities and personal growth. The power of these emotional charges lies in their ability to influence our subconscious mind. They shape our beliefs about ourselves and the world around us. If these beliefs are negative, they can create a self-fulfilling prophecy, where our thoughts and actions reinforce the very patterns we wish to break. But here's the silver lining. By recognizing these emotional charges and understanding their impact, we can begin to release them. This process involves identifying the negative emotions attached to specific memories and consciously replacing them with positive feelings. It's about rewriting the script of our subconscious mind, one memory at a time. Think of it like editing a movie. The raw footage includes scenes of pain, fear, and negativity. By going back and re-editing these scenes, we can create a new narrative that focuses on peace, calm, and positivity. This doesn't mean we erase the past, but rather, we change how we respond to it. Recognizing recurring patterns. If you find yourself trapped in recurring patterns of thoughts, emotions, and experiences that don't align with your true desires, it means there's a deep emotional charge that needs to be gently released for you to move forward. One effective method for releasing these emotional charges involves a simple but powerful technique that can lead to lasting happiness, freedom, peace, abundance, and health. Recurring patterns in our lives are often signs of unresolved emotional charges. These patterns can manifest in various ways, such as repeated negative thoughts, chronic stress, anxiety, or even physical ailments. They are like a broken record playing the same tune over and over again, preventing us from moving forward and achieving our true potential. Recognizing these patterns is the first step towards change. Start by paying attention to situations or thoughts that trigger negative emotions. Do you find yourself feeling anxious in social situations? Do you repeatedly attract unhealthy relationships? These patterns are clues pointing towards deeper emotional charges that need to be addressed. Once you've identified these patterns, the next step is to bring them to the surface. This can be challenging, as it involves facing uncomfortable emotions and memories. But remember, the goal is not to dwell on the negativity, but to transform it. By acknowledging these emotions without judgment, you can begin to release their hold on you. Here's a simple yet powerful technique to help you do this. Find a quiet place. Begin by finding a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. This could be a peaceful room in your home or a quiet corner in a park. Sit or lie down comfortably, allowing yourself to relax. Relax and breathe. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Allow your mind to relax, acknowledging any thoughts that come to you and letting them drift away. Spend several moments reaching a state of relaxation. Focus on a specific spot. Once you're relaxed, focus on a specific spot in your mind, preferably towards the back of your head. Center your attention and awareness on this area. Research suggests that focusing on this spot helps in connecting and communicating with the subconscious mind, where memories are stored. Listen to your subconscious. Your subconscious mind communicates through concepts, notions, and impulses rather than words or pictures. Take a few moments to listen to what this deeper part of you is conveying. Pay attention to the meanings and emotions that arise during this process. As you tune into your subconscious, you'll start to understand how it communicates. Listen carefully and let the knowledge of what it is saying reveal itself to you, helping you become more aware of your inner thoughts and feelings. Bring up a distressing topic. Once you feel connected with your subconscious, gently allow your mind to drift to a topic that causes you difficulty or distress. Your intention is enough to guide your mind to this concern. You don't need to solve the issue right now. Just bring it to the surface while remaining as relaxed as possible. Notice the feelings that come with this thought. You might feel anxious, stressed, frustrated, or fearful. These are the reasons this issue troubles you. Recognize these emotions without judgment. Introduce positive feelings as you become aware of the negative emotions attached to this issue. Gently use your intention to introduce feelings of peace, calm, or any other positive emotions towards this matter. To make this technique effective, it's essential to continue focusing on the positive feelings until the negative ones have completely disappeared. It might take a few minutes during your initial attempts, but with consistent practice, you'll become more adept at this process. By incorporating this technique into your daily routine, you can start to break free from recurring patterns and create a more positive, fulfilling life. In the next segment, we'll explore how this process rewrites your neural pathways and leads to lasting change. Bringing up a distressing topic can be uncomfortable, but it's a crucial step in the process. By allowing these negative emotions to surface, you can begin to understand their origins and impact on your life. It's important to remain non-judgmental and compassionate towards yourself during this step. Acknowledge the emotions without trying to fix or change them immediately. The power of positive change. Remember, Your mental and emotional state is within your control, and you have the power to create the life you choose. This subconscious mind technique can be life-changing. Allow yourself the time and space to heal, and be gentle with yourself throughout the process. By doing so, you open the door to a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. So, there you have it, a powerful technique to harness the power of your subconscious mind and overcome negative emotions. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it works for you. And if you're still with me, please leave a comment saying, "I release all negative thoughts and emotions, embracing peace and positivity in every aspect of my life." I'll give your comment a heart. As always, wishing you a beautiful day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Positive change is not just a destination, but a journey. It begins with a single step, a commitment to bettering yourself and transforming your life. By acknowledging the power of your subconscious mind and actively working to reprogram it, you take control of your destiny. This journey requires patience, dedication, and self-compassion. The beauty of this technique is its simplicity. It doesn't require any special tools or expertise, just a willingness to engage with your inner self. As you practice, you'll become more attuned to your thoughts and emotions, gaining insights into your behavior and motivations. This self-awareness is the foundation of positive change. As you continue to replace negative thoughts with positive ones, you'll notice a ripple effect in your life. Your relationships will improve as you bring more positivity into your interactions. Your self-esteem will grow as you shed old, limiting beliefs. And your overall sense of well-being will enhance as you release the emotional baggage that has been weighing you down. This journey is not about perfection, but progress. There will be days when it feels challenging, and that's okay. What matters is that you keep moving forward, one step at a time. Celebrate your small victories and learn from your setbacks. Remember, every effort you make towards positive change brings you closer to a happier, healthier life. Incorporating this technique into your daily routine can truly transform your life. It's about creating a habit of positivity and resilience that becomes second nature. Over time, you'll find that your mind automatically gravitates towards positive thoughts and emotions, making it easier to navigate life's challenges. So, take that first step today. Find a quiet place, relax, and connect with your subconscious mind. Begin the process of releasing negative emotions and embracing positive change. Your future self will thank you for it. Thank you for joining me on this journey of self-discovery and transformation. I'm excited to hear about your experiences and how this technique has helped you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you found this video helpful, please share it with someone who might benefit from it. Have a great day, everyone.